One arm supports hydraulic pressure expanding claw structure. When the coil car positioning, the uncoiler put the expanding claw into the steel coil inner hole and open claw to coil up TIGHT. Unwinder decline for steel coil compression and manual uncoiling. Start the AC motor rotating the uncoiler. Import the end plate to the pinch machine containing the manipulator device. 508 mm. Consists of 4 groups of wedge slider and use advanced no welding structure to support one end of the cantilever shaft. Connect rod die roof structure and drive by hydraulic cylinder. Advanced pneumatic wind plate brake braking. It's processed by casting and welding steel plate.